Hi everyone, welcome back to the Crafty Author. My name is Anissa, I am the Crafty Author, and welcome to my quilting studio. All right, so our project is done. Now, you might be asking why it's cut this small. Well, that's called user error. So I sewed the shirt together because I wasn't paying attention. And so that is what happened. So I think what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to make a very small pillow out of it that says mama. And I think that's going to be really cute anyway. So that's what I'm going to do with this. And I will show you this in another tutorial, but this is it for today. So I just wanted to let you know that RICOMA is having their President's Day sale. It ends on February 23rd at 6 p.m. You can get payments as low as $168 a month. You get free shipping, and if you use my code, you can get 10% off on accessories for your machine. So just use the code ANISA10 and you will get that discount. We work, the machine that I have is the RICOMA EM1010. I absolutely love this machine. I make so many cool things with it. I've made this sweatshirt with it. I've made now this new pillow. And this was just kind of a test run anyway, because I'm going to be making these shirts for my shop, my boutique shop, and also another event that is coming up. So I wanted to go ahead and try it out and see how this would work. This design is from Nino Embroidery on creativefabrica.com. Also, if you're interested in the Mighty Hoops, which I absolutely love, then if you want to order some for yourself, you can get free shipping with my code Crafty. So you can either call them to place your order or you can do it online. I will have everything linked down below in the description box, so it's nice and easy for you to find it and to get some of these awesome things for yourself. If you would like to follow me on social media, the links are down below in the description box. Don't forget to give this video a like. If you love it, go ahead and share it, because sharing is caring. Please make sure that you subscribe to my channel. You'll get notified every time I upload an awesomely cool new video, and keep on crafting. I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.